Just a quick video today that I thought was worth making while I'm on recording all the service jobs on the car. And this is how to reset the service interval. First off, we're going to press the menu button to navigate to the main menu. Select car. And then we want to press this button here to select the systems menu. Scroll over to servicing and checks. Service intervals. And here we have current intervals for oil change and the big service. Scroll down to reset oil change interval and select yes. And I'm going to select no because I have of course just done it, but this resets the oil service interval count. If you are trying to reset the big service or the inspection reminder, you will have to plug in to a diagnostic tool such as VAGCOM or OBD, but just about any generic one will do it. I'm currently recording easy to follow guides for all the service and odd jobs on the Audi A3. And still putting together a video database of all the odd jobs, repairs and modifications for the TT as well. So feel free to subscribe if either of these are any use to you, and I will see you there.